Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video I'll be showing you how to participate with the ARICHAIN blockchain. So the ARICHAIN blockchain has a mining project or a mining program going on inside their wallet. So in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up and start mining. It's very simple, guys. So for you to be able to mine this airdrop or to participate, what you need to do is to download the ARICHAIN Wallet. You can download it from Play Store or from Apple Store. If you are using iOS device, you can download from Apple Store. So what you need to do is, after downloading the app, just sign up. I'm going to show you how you can do that. All the link will be in the description. The link to download from Google Play Store will be in the description. The link to download from iOS Apple Store will be in the description. And again, I'll be leaving my referral link. Please use my referral code to sign up. So guys, let me show you how you can sign up with this. So once you've downloaded the app, click on sign up, then agree with the terms and conditions. Click on next, then put in your email. After that, then create a password. So just put in create a password, then re-put the password. So re-input the password again. So now you put in my referral code. It will be in the description of this video. Just paste it there. Then you can click on this email verification so that you get code to verify your email. So just click on the email verification. Click OK. So now they are going to prompt you to do some kind of verification. So just put in this code. So your own code might be different. So anything you see, just make sure you type it exactly the way it is. After you've done that, click OK. So once you click OK, they are going to send you a code to your email. So what you should do is check your email, or if your email message used to pop up on your phone, you don't have to go out of this or minimize. You just have to slide and copy it. So I just slide, the email just came in. So just click on it. If you didn't see the code, click on it to get the code. So now copy the code. There are 6 in numbers. So once you copy it, then go back, paste the code. Then now you can now click on next. So basically all you have to be doing in this app is very simple. So here now they will show you what is called master key. Make sure you keep this very safe, because this is like your private key. Don't lose it. With this you'll be able to recover your wallet. So what you need to be doing in this app is just daily check-in and answer quiz. That's all you need to be doing. Do you get? That's all you'll be doing in this app. So you just come, today you check in, tomorrow you check in, just like that. Make sure you check in and answer question. If you go to this hamburger line, that is the 3 dot on the top right corner, you'll be able to see it. So once you click there, you'll be able to see the today quiz, today check-in. So you'll be able to click there and claim. You can see daily quiz, you can see daily check-in. That's all you need to be doing in this app. Basically, that's all. So guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends. Make use of the comment section if you have any question for me. And guys, please use my referral link. It will be in the description of this video. So guys, please always like my video, always make comment on the comment section. It encourages me. It's very painful after making a video, you see a lot of people view the video. Even just come on one like, who does not take anything from you. You won't even see someone. Just click on the like button. So make sure you always click on the like button and make use of the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.